Welcome to the WION podcast, where we explore fascinating stories and ideas from various fields. In this episode, we break down what Rafale-M really is and how its secret weapon changes the Indian Ocean forever. This isn't just about a new fighter jet, it's about reach, deterrence, and why India's maritime power is entering a completely new era. The acquisition is not just about replacing old jets, it is about a massive doctrinal shift. According to Asianet Newsable, Navy Chief Admiral Dinesh Kumar Tripathi officially confirmed the strategic intent during the commissioning of the MH-60R squadron in Goa. He stated, "The Navy has maintained an unwavering focus on enhancing the integral shipborne aviation capabilities. It is in this context that the signing of the contract for 26 Rafale-M carrier-borne aircraft assumes particular significance, strengthening our long-range maritime strike and land attack capabilities. The biggest immediate boost is the Meteor missile. Currently, Chinese J-15 fighters rely on PL-12 missiles with limited no-escape zones. The Rafale-M brings the Meteor, which has a ramjet engine, allowing it to chase down enemy jets at over Mach 4 for 100+ kilometers. This means an Indian Rafale can fire at a Chinese jet and turn away long before the Chinese pilot even gets a lock, effectively creating a 100 kilometers bubble of death around the Indian carrier group that no enemy aircraft can safely enter. While officially unspoken, the Rafale-M provides a massive strategic boost as a potential nuclear delivery vector. The Indian Air Force's Rafales are widely believed to be modified for this role. By placing the same capable platform on an aircraft carrier, India effectively creates a moving, unpredictable nuclear deterrent at sea. This complicates the calculus for any adversary, who now has to worry about a nuclear strike launching from anywhere in the Indian Ocean, not just from land bases. The Admiral specifically mentioned long-range maritime strike. This refers to the Rafale's ability to carry the AIM-39 Exocet anti-ship missile. Unlike the older Russian missiles on the MiG-29K, the Exocet is a sea skimmer that flies less than 2 meters above the waves, making it nearly invisible to enemy ship radars until it is seconds away from impact. A single Rafale-M can neutralize a destroyer worth billions, giving the Indian Navy a disproportionate asymmetric advantage. One of the most underrated features that will boost the Navy's reach is the buddy refueling pod. A Rafale-M can carry a fuel pod to refuel another Rafale-M in mid-air. This allows the Navy to launch a strike package hundreds of kilometers further than the carrier's natural range. Effectively, the INS Vikrant can stay safely out of enemy missile range while its Rafales fly deep into enemy territory to deliver their payload and return. On paper, the Chinese J-15 is larger and carries more weapons than the Rafale. However, in modern aerial warfare, intellectual tech beats brute size. The J-15 is heavy and struggles to launch with full fuel from a ski-jump carrier. The Rafale-M, being lighter and more aerodynamic, can launch with a heavier relative combat load. Furthermore, the Rafale's Spectra electronic warfare suite is battle-proven to jam modern radars, whereas the Chinese systems are largely untested in combat. The final boost is logistical and tactical. Since the US and French navies also fly NATO standard jets, the Indian Navy can now seamlessly integrate into Quad exercises. An Indian Rafale could technically land on a French or American carrier in an emergency during joint operations. This interchangeability sends a powerful signal to Beijing that the Indian Navy is not fighting alone. It is part of a larger, highly compatible global defense network. Thanks for tuning in to this incredible story. If this episode resonated with you, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more captivating stories to come. Stay tuned.